how to create subtasks within taxes and to do it. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can create subtasks within tasks and to do it. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your account, that is your to do it account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you can see the page, you can see our tags, search, inbox, etc. So the next step is to select the tax that you would like to create a subtask within it. So for example, this is the tax, right? So to create a subtask, all I need to do is to double click on it this way. And after doing that, you'll be brought to the page where you see details about the tax. You'd see the tax title, the description. At the right side of the screen, you can see other options as well. And then below it, you can see the option add subtax, right? So just click on it, and then you have to create a tax that is similar to the heading, but it's just a subtax under it. So it could be arranging. This is a subtax, and then you can add a description if you want. You can add a due date, you can add a priority, reminders. Then once you're done, click on add tax, and then just like that, this subtax has been added as we added within the main tax, which is the tidying. All right, and then once you're done, click on save, and that is it. A subtax has been added, as you can see here. So ensure you try this out, right? Thank you.